Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's lecture we are going to do the derivations for the equations of the motions. That it is the first equation of the motion, which is v is equal to u plus at, whereas v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and t is the time taken. Whereas it is the second equation of motion, which states that s is equal to ut plus half at square, where s will be the distance. Okay, and the last one is the third equation of motion, which states that v square is equal to u square plus twice of as. So how they will comes out, let's move and see it. As we first move with the first equations of the motion, which is v is equal to u plus at. So as we know, suppose a body is in motion, having initial velocity is equal to u in time t, it get a final velocity v. So by the definitions of the acceleration, according to the acceleration, by the definitions of the acceleration, it is the rate of change of velocity. So rate of change of velocity can be found out by the final velocity minus initial velocity by the t, and acceleration is denoted by a. So when you arrange it, it comes out to be at is equal to v minus u, and when we rearrange it, we get v is equal to at plus u, or we can say that v is equal to u plus at. So it is the first equation of the motion. Now let's move to the second equation of the motion. For the second equation of motion, we have the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. So suppose a body moves in motion, having initial velocity as u, final velocity as v, time taken to attain this speed is t, its velocity is t, and the distance covered by them is s. Okay, now from the first equation of motion, we have v is equal to u plus at. Take it as equation 1. Now we know that velocity average is equal to initial plus final velocity divided by 2. So put v is equal to u plus at in, ये आप इक्वेशन सेकंड मान लो, इन इक्वेशन सेकंड we get v average equal to u plus, in place of v we are going to put this one, u plus 80 whole divided by 2, and when we rearrange it we get twice of u plus 80 divided by 2, or when we more simplify it we get u plus half at. This is equation third. Now for the distance we have s is equal to, distance is equal to the velocity average into the time, and velocity average we have calculated, it's u plus half at and whole multiply by t. when you shuffle it, और जब आप इसके अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो you get ut plus half at square, which is the second equation of the motion, where s denotes the distance covered in time t, and body have the initial velocity u and final velocity v, which is accelerated and give a value. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप यूनिट्स की एक दफ़ा अगर हम बात करें तो s जो है या तो ये आपका मीटर में होगा या ये आपका किलोमीटर में होगा. सिमिलरली इनिशियल वेलोसिटी एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी जो होंगे या तो ये मीटर पर सेकंड में होंगे या किलोमीटर पर आवर में होंगे. इसी तरीके से आपका एक्सीलरेशन जो होगा वो आपका मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में होगा या किलोमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर और द आर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. Now let's move to the last, that is the third equation of the motion. We have third equation of motion as v square is equal to u square plus 2s of as. These are derived from the first and the second equation. What we have from the first equation, we have v is equal to u plus at, whereas from the second equation we have s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now from the first equation of motion we can extract, or by rearranging we get the time as t is equal to v minus u divided by a. Okay, how it will come? But just rearranging, the next step will be v minus u equal to at, and then t is equal to v minus u upon a. Now put the value of t in the second equation of motion. जो आपके पास सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन है, डेट इज एस इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. इसके अंदर हम टी की भी ये वाली वैल्यूज़ को पुट कर देंगे और रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो एस इज इक्वल टू यू, टी विल बी रिप्लेस्ड, वी गेट v minus u divided by a plus half इंटू ए, टी की वैल्यू रिप्लेस होगी, टी क्या है v माइनस यू divided by a whole square. So when we get rearrange it, you will get v u minus u square divided by a plus a by 2. आप इसके अंदर फॉर्मूला लगाओगे a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर विच इज a स्क्वायर plus b square minus 2ab. So we get v square plus u square minus twice of v u divided by a square. This a will be cancelled out by this, and in the denominator we get plus v square plus u square minus twice of uv divided by 2a. यहाँ पर भी आपका a है. नाउ LCM लेंगे. LCM जब हम लेंगे तो हमारे नीचे आएगा 2a और यहाँ की आपके सारे डिजिट 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, तो ट्वाइस ऑफ uv माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ u स्क्वायर प्लस v स्क्वायर प्लस u स्क्वायर माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ uv. So these are the positive and negative values, they are cancel out. तो हमारे पास अभी क्या बचा, s इज इक्वल टू माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ u स्क्वायर प्लस v स्क्वायर प्लस u स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2a, एंड व्हेन वी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट एंड इसमें से इसको घटाएंगे तो विल वी गेट ट्वाइस ऑफ as इज इक्वल टू v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर. Rearrange it. When we rearrange it, we get v square is equal to u square plus twice of as, where s is the distance. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you, and please like and follow the channel.